How to clone apps on your Samsung phone. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily clone few apps on your Samsung device. If you want to clone your messaging apps, then Samsung has an inbuilt settings called Dual Messenger. You can clone the app from there. So let's see how you can do it. First of all, you'll have to open your settings menu, and then you have to scroll down until you see advanced features. So just tap on it. Then you have something called Dual Messenger right here. You can tap here, and any of the social media sites that you have installed on your phone will be shown right here. As you can see, I've already used Messenger and WhatsApp as my dual messenger. You can do other apps as well that are available here. So let's say if I want to clone my Viber, I'm just going to enable it and then tap on install. Now second copy of Fiverr has already been installed. If you want to use a separate contact list, you can do that here and enable it. Then you can choose your specific contacts that you want to use for dual messenger, and let's check if our Viber has been installed or not. So here is the Viber app right here. It has a little orange icon right here indicating that it's a dual messenger app. Now if you want to clone other apps, then you will have to download something called Parallel Space, and if you find it on Play Store, just install it, and after this you can just continue and it will ask you for your permissions. So you can allow all of these permissions that it's asking for. Then you can just go back and continue with the app. Now it will suggest you some cool apps that might need some cloning. So you can see all of these apps that you can clone right here. You can select these ones and then clone the app. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.